Let me count. Weekend plans with Maya, Josh, the hiking group, book club, and someone named... Did I save this as Pizza Guy?
I have 2 numbers in my favorites. One is my mom.
2? But social life, networking, community.
Quality over quantity. My one friend, I'd die for him. Literally.
Literally?
Literally.
Oh, this debate is going to get deep. Welcome back. Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy, where mistakes are bridges to connection, and every awkward silence is just friendship loading. I'm Sarah, your host, social butterfly, and person who has 17 close friends and sometimes forgets their birthdays. I'm working on it.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I have one best friend, Marcus. We've been friends since we were 7. That's 20 years. People call me lonely, weird. They say, Ryan, you need more friends. Branch out. But Marcus knows me. The real me, not the performance. Why would I want 17 half-knowings when I have one complete understanding?
Oh, Ryan, that's beautiful and also challenging. I have my 17, but sometimes in a crowded room, I feel alone. No one knows the real me. They know versions. Party Sarah, work Sarah, fun Sarah. I don't even know which one is real anymore.
Because you're performing for 17 audiences. I'm performing for 1, and sometimes 0. The loneliness is real. When Marcus is busy, I have no one. That's hard. But the depth is worth it. For me.
We both pay for our choices, just different currencies.
Maybe we can exchange? Learn each other's wealth?
Absolutely. Let the friendship face-off begin. But before we dive deep, I need to ask you something real. Are you watching this with many notifications, but no one who really knows you? Or with one person who sees you, but no one else to call? Friendship hurts either way. We're going to talk about that hurt.
So smash that like button. Help other friendship-searching souls find us.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We're building a community where many friends and one friend both belong. When we hit 90,000, Ryan and I are doing a friendship challenge. I'll try one deep conversation. He'll try one group hang.
Group hang? With strangers? For growth.
And I'll try vulnerability with one person for more than 5 minutes without making a joke.
The horror.
Most importantly, comment. Tell us, are you team many friends or team one true friend? When do you feel loneliest? In a crowd or alone? What's a friendship word in your language that English doesn't have?
Last week, someone taught us sobremesa, Spanish, lingering at table after eating, but for friends. I want that. Teach us your word.
Our comment section is safe. No, you need more friends pressure. No, you're too clingy shame. Only real connection stories, real loneliness, real love. Join us. Okay, Ryan, I have 17 friends. I never eat alone. I have +1s for everything. Birthday parties? Packed. Bad days? 17 text threads. I feel loved, supported, surrounded.
But Sarah, when you fell apart last year, your breakup, your job loss, how many of those 17 stayed?
3, maybe 4. The others sent memes. Thinking of you, hearts, then gone. When I was messy, boring, not fun.
Because 17 is audience, entertainment, performance. When my dad died, Marcus sat with me. 3 days. No words, just presence. He missed work. He got in trouble. He didn't care. That's not audience. That's witness. That's love.
I want witness. I have audience. I've performed so long, I don't know how to stop.
You can stop. With one. then maybe more. But depth first, breadth later. Can I tell you something shameful?
Please, this is safe.
I'm terrified of new people. Not shyness, terror. What if they see me? The real me. Boring, sad, too much, or not enough. What if they leave? Marcus stayed. He's proven. New people? Unproven. Dangerous. So I hide. In my one friendship. Safe. But also small.
Ryan, you're brave for naming it. And me? I'm terrified of depth. What if someone sees me and doesn't like what they see? With 17, I can rotate. Always someone new, always shiny. But shallow. I drown in inches when I want miles.
So I fear the many. You fear the deep. We're both protecting broken parts.
Yes! You hide in one so you can't be rejected widely. I hide in many so I can't be known deeply. Both lonely, just different shapes.
I never thought popular people were scared. I envied you. Now I see you. Really.
And I see you. Really. Not audience. Witness.
Can I teach you something? Friendship words are everything.
Yes, show me.
In Danish, hygge, cozy togetherness, but specific, intentional, not just hanging out, creating warmth together. Marcus and I, we hygge, old movies, bad pizza, no phones, presence. English has no word for that intention.
We say chill. Hang, so casual, like friendship doesn't matter.
And best friend, it's competition. Best implies ranking. In Japanese, nakama, comrade, ally, someone whose dream aligns with yours. Not better than others, different, purposeful.
Ryan, you're teaching anthropology. Language shapes how we feel about connection. Did you see that? From I have one friend to cross-cultural friendship theory.
I didn't know I was wise in English. I thought I was just missing Marcus while recording.
That's the wisdom. Noticing what matters. Naming absence. Naming presence. What if we need both kinds?
Both?
One for depth, witness, safety. Many for joy, discovery, growth. Not either slash or. First the deep root, then the wide branches.
Like a tree? Marcus is my trunk, my roots. But branches can grow, new leaves, still connected to same strength.
Yes! Ryan, you're a poet.
And you're brave. Admit it. You'll try one real conversation this week.
One. With no jokes, just me. Naked me.
I'll be cheering. From my one friend cave. Via text. Baby steps.
Let's capture Ryan's emotional friendship vocabulary. Witness. Someone who sees your truth versus audience. Hygge. Intentional cozy togetherness. Danish gem. Nakama. Aligned dreams. Purposeful ally. Japanese depth. Naked. Vulnerable, unperformed, real. Sarah's challenge.
And presence. Just being there. No fixing, no performing. My favorite lesson.
Perfect. Challenge. Comment with a friendship word from your language. What do you wish English had? Now I want something real from you.
In the comments, tell us, when do you feel seen?
In a crowd of many? Or one-on-one with few? Do you perform for friends or rest with them? Who is your witness? Tell them here if you can't yet in person.
I used to feel weird for one friend. Now I know I'm deep. Your friendship style is valid. Many, one, searching, all beautiful.
And if you're lonely right now, comment that. We'll be witness for you. Temporary friends, real support. You're not alone.
Subscribe. At 90K, I do group hang. Sarah's pick. The Terror.
I'm inviting improv comedians. No scripts, just chaos.
For growth.
Ryan, you came in defending one friend, and you taught me that depth is courage. How do you feel now?
I feel expanded. Not betraying my depth by wanting more, just growing. And I said it in English.
You owned this language. You owned your one beautiful friendship and permission for more. Whether you're party of 17 or party of 2, you are perfect. Keep speaking your friendship truth.
Like this video if friendship confuses your heart. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for more permission to connect your way. Comment your friendship story. We read every one.
Next week, saying goodbye. Ryan shares losing a friend and keeping them alive in memory.
Marcus's brother. Gone too young. But not from our stories. From how we Hygge now. Deeper. Intentional.
I want to honor that. I want to learn that.
You will. One real conversation at a time. No jokes.
I'll try. For you. For Marcus. For me. This is Sarah, signing off with a heart full of 17 hellos and one real goodbye to performing.
And this is Ryan, proudly one friend deep, proudly expanded. Keep learning easy. See you next week.